What do you get when you cross two of the most sought-after rifles in firearms history? You get what I believe to be one of the coolest firearms on the market today, the CMMG MK47. Now, perhaps some of you already caught the full-length review I did on the MK47, but if not, go check it out. It's a great review on an awesome rifle. But for those of you unfamiliar, the MK47 basically blends the modularity of the AR platform with 7.62 chambering and AK47 magazines. Not to mention the compact action system that comes in the descent line of the MK47, which makes for an incredibly smooth shooting experience. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself. Let's go ahead and stretch her out. And you know we rocking that Wolf steel cased ammo, because this girl, she'll eat anything you throw at her. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd be so kind as to like, subscribe, comment, and share, that would be greatly appreciated. Oh, and one more thing. Cheers, and God bless.